Hello friends, let's watch TRP ratings of Week 11 Indian Hindi TV serial 2019 and press the bell icon for latest new video daily. The grand finale of Khatron Ke Khiladi 9 has claimed the number 1 spot with the TRP of 3.5. Surbhi Jyoti, Pal V Puri and Anita Hasnandani starrer Nagin 3 bagged the second spot with the TRP of 2.5. Star Plus show Kulfi Kumar Bajwala and GTV Kundali Bhagya, both the serial, claimed the third spot this week with the TRP of 2.3. Deepika Fernandez, Parth Samthan and Hina Khan starrer Kasuri Zindagi Ke 2 bagged the number 4 spot this week with the TRP of 2.2. Star Plus show Ye Rishta Kya Kehlata Hai and GTV show Kumkum Bhagya has bagged the 5th spot this week with the TRP of 2.1. GTV popular show Tujhse Hai Rabta and Sony TV Super Dancer Chapter 3, both the show has claimed the number 6 spot this week with the TRP of 2.0. The Kapil Sharma show bagged the 7th spot this week with the TRP of 1.9. Sab TV popular show Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma claimed the 8th spot this week with the TRP of 1.8. Nazar, Guddan Tumse Na Ho Payega and Gathbandhan, the three show have claimed the 9th spot this week with the TRP of 1.7. Dibba Dishti, Shakti Hasti by Saski and Krishna Chali London, the three show have bagged the 10th spot this week with the TRP of 1.6. Thank you so much friends for watching this video and hit like and share this video and subscribe our channel for latest new video daily.